guys, I'm Cam from BBQ Spit Rotisseries and Flaming Coals, and I'm here today to show you through the Kosmos Q Wing Dust range. This is a range that I really love using at home, and the family love it as well. Now the first one that everyone goes for when they first try out these wing dusts is the honey barbecue. Now, don't be alarmed, you don't just have to use this on wings. You can use it on anything. I know people that have been using it on vegetables, sweet potato, anything you can imagine. So not just wings. Now the process when you are cooking the wings is to cook them completely naked, nothing on them at all, and toss them at the end when they're cooked in some of this in a bowl. Next up is the hottest one. Now upon opening the Buffalo Hot, it did go up my nose and it made my eyes water, so just keep in mind this stuff is super hot. Now I love heat, this one packs a punch, so for all those guys who think they can handle heat, try out this one and test them out. Now next one is the Kickin Cajun. Now this has got a little bit of heat, but it's a little bit more rounded, so it's definitely not as hot as the Buffalo. I'd say it's one step down. Now my very favourite has to be the salt and vinegar. This one here, amazing on popcorn, amazing on wings, but also amazing on just about everything. Hot chips, kids love it. My son, I know, especially loves this one. Check these wing dusts out in the store and online, guys, and we'll speak soon.